a movie called Wife of Ram that was starring Lakshmi Manchu, and it's on Netflix right now. And really, yeah, I mean, Lakshmi Manchu has studied, theater abroad somewhere. I think so. That is so evident right from like, the opening scene of this movie is heart touching is not the word. Yeah, I mean, basically it's about this the female character who loses both her husband and child in this in like what looks to be an accident, but that's what this is, a thriller. So as you watch it, you get to know the storyline. So I mean, it is very few movies have the such an emotional scene in one of the first few you know like the way the movie is built up. So people considering during this lockdown phase, it's nice to explore cinema of different regions. And as of yesterday, we were discussing Japanese and German cinema. So this particular movie in the Telugu genre is worth watching. It's called Wife of Ram, and you can find it on Netflix. And Lakshmi Manchu, the actress, she carries the film. So like you had Vidya Balan in Kahani, we have Lakshmi Manchu in the Telugu industry, I feel. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.